Hi there, it's Alyssa from Domestic Heights. So today I'm going to show you how to assemble a felt sunflower. This template I have that I used to make the cutouts is available for free in my resource library. And I cut these with my Cricut cutting machine. You could cut this by hand, but the frill piece might be a little bit more difficult. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to roll the center frill piece, and I have the center strip here, and I'm going to use a hot glue gun because it sort of dries the fastest, but you could probably use fabric glue, but I find sometimes that seeps through the felt a little bit and takes longer to dry. So I just want to just fold this over and sort of glue it in place, and I do that every inch or so along the strip. You don't want to use too much glue because then it'll take forever to dry, and you might burn your fingers in the process. So we're gonna roll this, so you don't have to, it doesn't have to be perfectly glued all the way, just a few dots to sort of keep it in place. Okay, one final little bit. Okay, so we're going to start rolling this, and every couple of rolls I'm going to add a little glue. Hold it in place. Make sure it's flat so that it sort of fans out nicely. Tuck that final piece in. Okay, we'll put that off to the side. And then we're gonna just glue the base petals together. You wanna make sure you offset them. And then one final layer of sunflower seeds. That's it.